What's up, dudes and dudettes and brethrens? This is just a small walk around of my truck. Totally hungover still from last night. I'm sure you guys can appreciate that. But here is the swap that's pretty much... hang on one second. Let me just take this off. Oh. There she is. It's all nice and snug in there. It's the V8 from the Tundra. Nice and mounted in there, and it looks pretty good to me. So, all it needs to happen now is bolt everything up, do some wiring, get the radiator, and she'll be good to go. So, yep. Hope you guys enjoy my hungover, blabbering, whateverness. So, yep. She's getting there. She'll be good to go. Nice little V8 in there. Alright. That's about it. Oh, wait, hang on. So, what I did with the whole fly-by-wire, if anyone's curious, is I just went ahead and when I took the ECU out, I just pulled everything with it, pretty much. So here's the throttle wire, I guess you could call it, and I'll show you this whole thing real quick. Gas pedal. I took out the old one. It's for sale if anyone wants it. Free if you come pick it up yourself. But tucked up in there, can't really see too well. But I got the gas pedal mounted in from the Tundra. It's good to go. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. You guys keep on being motherfucking badasses.